A court deadline is looming in Fulton County, Georgia. That's where Atlanta is. It gives prosecutors 90 days to indict a defendant or let that defendant out of jail on bond. The DA says if she doesn't get help with this huge backlog of cases, violent criminals could be set free. Ryan Young is at the Fulton County Jail in Atlanta. Ryan, what's going on here?
Hey, John, you know 2020 was a violent year. We have FBI stats to prove it. When you think about it, though, police officers never stopped working despite the pandemic. But a lot of courts were closed, and now that backlog is catching up with prosecutors.
I need help. I'm here begging you for help.
As her office continues to deal with an avalanche of backlog cases, District Attorney Fani Willis warning that dozens of violent criminal suspects could be released on bond in the coming weeks.
We walked into an office with in excess of 11,000 unindicted cases. In addition to that, we already had another 12,000 that were indicted and were working their way through the court system.
Georgia law says that suspects in jail are entitled to mandatory bond if not indicted within 90 days. The law was suspended during the pandemic but was reinstated over the summer. Today was the end of the 90-day period for the first batch of eligible defendants, and other suspects will become eligible to be released each day as they reach their 90-day threshold if they are not indicted.
This is the reality, and I've told everyone this. There's going to be about 400 or 500 defendants that we don't make the clock on.
Some victims of violent crimes and their loved ones say that they no longer have closure.
People that we represent, the victims of crime, they will find that the folk who committed the crimes against their loved ones or against them, they will be out on the street.
Willis says that the backlog is forcing her to make difficult decisions not to prosecute such cases as aggravated assault and battery, letting some of those suspects walk so that her office can focus on more serious charges.
I can guarantee the public that there will not be someone that was charged with homicide that will not be charged. We also did the same thing with the sexual offenses, and now we are working our way through other violent offenders.
We've got to be able to clear that backlog, set priorities, and we cannot afford to let violent criminals out. People with gun offenses, people with aggravated assault, robbery, things of that nature.
Murders in Fulton County increased by 48% since 2020. 224 murder suspects are currently unindicted, and 51 of those suspects must be indicted by Tuesday, according to Willis's office.
What is your fear when it comes to some of these cases and some of these offenders having the opportunity to maybe get out of jail before they see a judge?
There's a very serious impact to people that should not get a bond, possibly being released from jail. We have lots of people in our community that the way they survive is by committing crime, and they don't mind hurting you.
Critics of Willis say that no matter what a person is charged with, they still have a right to be proven guilty without languishing behind bars.
These people have been in jail for months, if not years. The DA's office had plenty of time to investigate the cases because they've arrested these people, COVID or not. Indicting them isn't that big of a deal.
Willis says that she is trying to make bond for those released as restrictive as possible by allocating the highest possible amount and by implementing ankle monitors. She has also seated 2 grand juries for the first time in Fulton County history to try to tackle all the cases.
We'll be working through this crisis for at least the next 2 years.
Yeah, and DA Willis has also decided to hire more staff. The Fulton County Commission actually gave her some extra money to do that. But John, this cuts both ways, because if you could imagine, if you're in jail and you think you're innocent, you've been sitting in there quite some time trying to get your case heard. But a lot of people in this community are worried about what's next.
Yeah, understandably so. Ryan Young, thank you very much.